Hello, welcome to Narrative Link, the Narrative Inc. podcast where I help writers become better writers. Today we're going over Google Docs and sharing documents with others. Sharing documents with others in Google Docs is really simple, but there's one step you need to do before. That way you can make sure you have proper access and that if something bad happens, you can make sure you can get back into your original document. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you click on File and then download the original document, because if you have somebody who's a commenter or editor comes in and makes a mistake, deletes something, or changes the original document, you will have access to that. So you can either do it on a Microsoft Word document or PDF. Of course, you can do it on any of these things, but I would suggest either a Microsoft Word or PDF document. Download those. Then what you want to do to share something specifically, you just click up here on Share, and then you can either share with specific groups or people, and you'll just be an email in there, and that will invite others to join. Or you can go down here and just make sure that the link you have, anybody with that link can come to the page. So you can do restricted, so only people with access can open the link, and those are people that you give access to, or you can do anyone with the link. And then once you're over here, you can change it from viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on the level of access you want to give that person. And then what you do is just copy the link, and then you can copy and paste that link into whatever discussion or communication you have. So you can invite those people to edit the document. But yeah, basically that is how you share a document. Thank you so much. Follow for more tutorials on how to use Google Docs.